Hello students, we are doing chapter number 1 rational and irrational numbers exercise 1.5. In previous video we have done till question number 8 and today we are starting from question number 9. If x is equal to 1 minus root 2, find the value of x minus 1 by x to the power 4. So here x value is given. First we will find out the 1 by x value and later on we will substitute here. So 1 by x is equal to 1 by 1 minus root 2. So here this is in denominator. So it means we have to rationalize it and then we will find out the answer. To rationalize it we have to multiply with 1 plus root 2 up and down. So numerator will become 1 plus root 2 and denominator we can use a plus b into a minus b formula 1 square minus root 2 whole square, which we will get 1 plus root 2 divided by 1 minus 2, which is equal to 1 plus root 2 by minus 1, or minus symbol we can shift up, we will get minus 1 minus root 2. Now this value we can substitute in question. Question is that x minus 1 by x to the power 4. So x is 1 minus root 2, then minus 1 by x is minus 1 minus root 2 whole to the power 4. Now this remove this bracket, get plus 1 then plus root 2 whole to the power 4. So minus root 2 plus root 2, this will cancel out and we will get 1 plus 1 2 to the power 4. So 2 to the power 4 means 2 we have to multiply 4 times. 2 into 2 4, into 2 8 and into 2 16 is the answer. Next question number 10. If x is equal to 5 minus 2 root 6, find the value of x square plus 1 by x square. So first we will find out the value of x square, means 5 minus 2 root 6 whole square. We can use here a minus b whole square formula, which is equal to a square plus b square minus 2a into b. So 5 square we will get 25. 2 root 6 square means 2 root 6 into 2 root 6, which we will get equal to 24, minus 5 to 10 and 10 into 2 20 root 6. Then later on after addition 49 minus 20 root 6 we will get. Now we will find out 1 by x square. 1 by x square is equal to 1 by 49 minus 20 root 6. Now first we have to rationalize it. For that we will multiply with 40 plus 20 root 6 up and down. Numerator will become 49. 49 plus 20 root 6 and denominator a plus b into a minus b whole square formula we will use. So 49 plus 20 root 6 divided by 49 square is equal to 2401 and 20 root 6 whole square is equal to 2400. So after that we will get 49 plus 20 root 6 divided by 1, which is not necessary to write 1. Therefore now question we have x square plus 1 by x square. X square value is 49 minus 20 root 6 and 1 by x square value is 49 plus 20 root 6. So this is minus 20 root 6 plus 20 root 6, it will cancel out. 49 plus 49 will become 98. Next question number 11. If p is equal to 2 minus root 5 divided by 2 plus root 5 and q is equal to 2 plus root 5 divided by 2 minus root 5, find the value of first part p plus q, then p minus q, p square plus q square and p square minus q square. So first p and q we will rationalize these two numbers. P is given 2 minus root 5 divided by 2 plus root 5. So to rationalize it we need to multiply with 2 minus root 5 up and down. Then it will become 2 minus root 5 whole square, and denominator will become 2 square minus root 5 whole square. This we can expand with the help of a minus b whole square formula. A square plus b square minus 2ab, and denominator here will get 4 minus 5. So 4 plus 5 minus 2 into 2, 4 root 5 divided by minus 1, which we will get 9 minus 4 root 5 by minus 1, or we can write it minus 9 plus 4 root 5. This minus 1 we can shift up and symbol will change. Similarly, we have to find out q also. Q is 2 plus root 5 divided by 2 minus root 5. So first we will rationalize it. We will multiply with 2 plus root 5 up and down. Then 2 plus root 5 whole square, and denominator we will get same 2 square minus root 5 whole square. This we can expand with the help of a plus b whole square formula. A square plus b square plus 2ab, and denominator 4 minus 5 we will get. So 4 plus 5 plus 4 root 5 divided by minus 1, or 9 plus 4 root 5 divided by minus 1, or we can write it minus 9 minus 4 root 5. Now these values we have to substitute in question. So first part is p plus q. P is minus 9 plus 4 root 5, and we have to add this. So plus minus 9 minus 4 root 5. After removing symbol, we will get here minus 9 minus 4 root 5. So you can see plus 4 root 5 and minus 4 root 5. It will cancel out, and minus 9 will become minus 18. Second part we have p minus q. P is minus 9 plus 4 root 5 minus 9 minus 4 root 5. Again remove the bracket. Minus 9 plus 4 root 5, and this minus will become plus. Again this minus also will become plus. Now this minus 9 and plus 9 will cancel out, and 4 root 5 plus 4 root 5 will become 8 root 5. Third part we have to find out p square plus q square. So substitute the value of p, minus 9 plus 4 root 5 whole square plus minus 9 minus 4 root 5 whole square. So here we can use a minus b whole square formula. We will get 9 square plus 4 root 5 whole square minus 2 into 9 into 4 root 5. This second one, minus we can take out common, or with minus also we can do. So if you take out minus common, minus square it will become plus, and then you can use a plus b whole square formula. So we will get here 9 square plus 4 root 5 whole square, then plus 2 into 9 into 4 root 5. 9 square is 81, 4 square is 16, 16 into 5 80, then 2 into 4 8, and 8 9 72 root 5 plus 81 plus 80 and plus 72 root 5. So this 72 root 5 will cancel out, other remaining numbers we can add. 81 plus 80 161, and again 161, we will get 322. Fourth part, p square minus q square. So already p square we have calculated here. This value we can substitute here to here. It is p square 81 plus 80 minus 72 root 5 and then minus symbol q square value. This one 81 plus 80 plus 72 root 5. Remove this bracket. Symbol will change. And now you can see 81 minus 81, 80 minus 80 and minus 72 minus 72. If we add minus 144 root 5 is answer. Next question number 12. If x is equal to root 2 minus 1 divided by root 2 plus 1 and y is equal to root 2 plus 1 divided by root 2 minus 1, then find the value of x square plus 5xy plus y square. So first x and y we will rationalize. X is equal to root 2 minus 1 divided by root 2 plus 1. To rationalize it, we need to multiply root 2 minus 1 up and down. Then it will become root 2 minus 1 whole square and divided by root 2 square minus 1 square. Here we can use a minus b whole square formula. A square plus b square minus 2ab, and denominator we will get 2 minus 1. So this will be 2 plus 1 minus 2 root 2 divided by 1, which is equal to 3 minus 2 root 2. Similarly, y also we will rationalize. Root 2 minus 1 we will multiply it with root 2 plus 1 up and down. Then we will get root 2 plus 1 whole square divided by root 2 square minus 1 square. Numerator a plus b whole square formula we will apply. A square plus b square plus 2ab, and denominator a square minus b square 2 minus 1. So we will get 2 plus 1 plus 2 root 2 divided by 1 or 3 plus 2 root 2. Now these values we have to substitute in the question. Question is that x square plus 5xy plus y square. X value is 3 minus 2 root 2 whole square plus 5, 3 minus 2 root 2 and 3 plus 2 root 2. Then y square 3 plus 2 root 2 whole square. First we will use a minus b whole square formula. We will get here a square 3 square plus 2 root 2 whole square minus 2a into b. Here in second one 5 we will keep as it is, a plus b into a minus b. So it will become a square minus b square. And this third one we will use a plus b whole square formula. A square plus 2 root 2 whole square plus 2 into 3 into 2 root 2. After squaring it will become 9 plus 8 minus 2 into 3 6 into 2 12 root 2. Here 5 in bracket 9 minus 8, and this third bracket 9 plus 8 plus 12 root 2. Now all the brackets we can remove. 9 plus 8 17 minus 12 root 2, and here 9 minus 8 will become 1 and 5 into 1 is 5. Here 17 plus 12 root 2. So this is minus 12 root 2 plus 12 root 2. It will cancel out. Remaining number we can add. 17 plus 17 34 plus 5 39, which is our answer. So this exercise has completed. Hope you understood these questions. Thank you for watching this video.